grill, sizzle and fry like a pro. Meet your kitchen's new MVP. Tired of overcooked steaks, soggy fries, and a kitchen full of smoke? Say hello to the Ninja DG551 Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill, your all-in-one cooking beast that grills, air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and dehydrates flawlessly. This next-gen indoor grill isn't just smart, it's a culinary genius. With its smart cook system and built-in thermometer, you'll nail the perfect doneness, rare, medium, well done, at the touch of a button. No more guesswork. No more kitchen disasters. Just mouth-watering meals, every single time. 500 degrees Fahrenheit Cyclonic Grilling Technology, fancy words for you get that real, outdoor grill flavor without stepping outside. It locks in juices, sears like a dream, and gives you those perfect char marks. The air fry function? Oh, it's a game changer, crispy, golden fries with 75% less fat than deep frying. And unlike other countertop grills that just heat up and hope for the best, this one circulates hot air for even cooking. Translation? No cold spots. No half-cooked disasters. Just flawless, restaurant-worthy results. 6-in-1 versatility equals endless possibilities. This isn't just a grill, it's a full-blown kitchen powerhouse. One machine that grills, roasts, bakes, broils, air fries, and dehydrates. Imagine making juicy burgers, crispy wings, perfectly roasted veggies, and even homemade jerky all in one place. Plus, it cooks frozen food in under 25 minutes, no defrosting needed. You'll save time, cut down on dishes, and still eat like a king or queen. Effortless cooking, zero stress. Hate scrubbing? No worries. The Nonstick, ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe. And let's talk about the smoke control system, a true lifesaver that keeps your kitchen from turning into a barbecue smokehouse. No splatters, no excess smoke, just clean, easy cooking. The XL capacity means you can grill up 6 burgers at once, making it perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who loves to eat big. So, why settle for an ordinary grill when you can have a kitchen revolution? With pro-level precision, effortless cleanup, and 6 killer functions, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill is worth every penny. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep master, or just someone who loves good food without the hassle, this is your ultimate kitchen sidekick. Don't wait, grab yours now and start grilling like a boss.